Hey guys, this is Kiss Ivan King. Today, me and my friend Masherman are gonna play some White Noise online, which is like Slenderman. Okay, we're gonna play on Kavitoya on norm. Just pick one. Just pick one. Preferably not Nightmare, but okay. Yay! We'll die very fast if we choose Nightmare. Hur- What the heck? You're on the other side of the river? We're on the other side of the river. Hold on. Stay there. Hey, what's up? Alright. Want me to lead the way? Alright. Follow me! Where? Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, this one is just hanging. Okay, come on. Just fall off. Yeah, I actually beat the game once. And leave in the comments below if you want to know what happens when you collect all 8 tapes. Oh, there's another one right here. Or there should be one. Oh, there is none. Wait, there is some. I think that around here. Oh, nope, nope. I think that's just the green statue. Let's continue this way, shall we? Oh, nice. Now let's get hell over here, cause I saw the monster and it was creepy. Um, technically, yeah. Okay, let's go over here. Cut through the path. Oh, it's a windmill. I hear him. Okay. Oh, got it. Yeah, we reached our goal. Or at least my friend's goal. But beating this game is actually pretty, well, at least for me and a lot of my friends, kind of difficult. I only beat it twice, and I played this game probably about 50 times. I want to go third person mode, but oh, statue. Oh yeah. Oh no, I thought I saw like a house. Never mind. If they added a third person of this, that'll be cool. Yeah, no, I saw one. I saw the green statue over there. Well, we walked past it already. I like the noise that you make. You like, it's like you're crapping your pants. You did a little bit. Did you like actually rip one, or did you just like? Oh wow, Mashima, you just I can't believe you got so scared that you just fart. Okay, so so Masherman thought that the monster was going to kill him, and right when he said that, the monster spun him around, and he farted a little bit. Oh god, you scared the. Oh god, you just walked in front of me and you just scared me. What's up? I know. I had to walk past it. There's another tape here somewhere. Is it right there? Where's you? Oh, there you are. Where is it? Okay, Masterman's AFK. Whoa! It's not. It's not. In that, no. 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 Where's the freaking tape recorder? Hold on. Oh. Okay, there you are. Oh. Like the very last one? The back? Yay! Alright, we got half. Achievement earned, halfway there. Gotta stop walking in front of me like all suddenly. Scares me sometimes when I'm not ready. Stop that. Okay, I can't really read that sign. Oh, it's just blank. Never mind. Oh, sawmill. I've barely been here before. Okay, I thought I heard it, but I think it was just the monster. Uh, yeah, monster. Oh, it's a cabin. There's a cabin in the woods. Oh, whoa, 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 what happened? What happened? Where is he? Oh, he's right behind that tree. Let's go to that house. I'm sure there's something bad in there. There's probably a tape in here. I hear it. Yeah. 6 out of 8, guys. We're probably not gonna make it for long. Can't wait to see the replay of this. Spin in a circle. See the monster. Walk the opposite direction. Ah! It was going so well. Alright. 10 minutes, 5 seconds. 6 out of 8 recordings. Let's see our progress. Oh, look at that number. Look at that number. 969. I screamed more. That's because you died. Alright, let's check the replay. Alright, we did a bunch of loops. We found our first tape right there. That's when we had our first scream. Alright. There's the second tape. Oh yeah, that's when you died. We could probably explore a good chunk of the map, actually. Oh, that's when we kept walking in circles. No, yeah, but you already died that time. That's when I kept getting scared, yeah. Oh, we made a weird shape. And that, my friends, is White Noise Online. Thanks for watching.